Hello, friends. There is something common between all of the investors. We all keep on looking options where we can get the better returns, right? Many times we are not aware of simple methods to investing. We get confused by variety of options available in the markets. Nowadays, many investors complain that things which appears very simpler to them are actually difficult to implement. Whenever TV shows talks about multi-bagger stocks, then most of the investors felt sad because they haven't invested in it at the right timing. So most of the investors say that they are not able to invest in stocks regularly because of their regular routine, but they do want to own multi-bagger stocks for their futures. So what is the solution for this? Now, there is one solution which I call it as stock investment plan. And today I'm going to discuss about this. So what is stock investment plan? It must be sounding similar to the stock. It must be sounding similar to the SIPs, which you might be doing in case of mutual fund. Yes, it is similar to mutual fund SIP. It has many similarities in terms of working and overall features. So let's see what are the features in stock investment plan and how exactly it is. So let's begin this video. Stay till the end and do share and provide your feedbacks to us. 1 second, let me share you some details about it. So as I mentioned, stock investment plan, or we can call it as stock SIP. Now, what is this exactly? Imagine you have one basket where you keep all the different things in one basket. So similar to that, you have one basket where you can park or where you can put different stocks from different sectors. Now, what is the advantage of doing this exercise? Firstly, and most importantly, if I ask you what you see after or what you feel after looking at this basket, then obviously most of you must be feeling that there is variety of options. There is variety in these baskets, right? You are right. There is variety in this basket. So what this stock investment plan can offer to you, the most important feature or function of this can be called as diversification. Now, what is diversification exactly mean? For example, if you want to invest 10,000 rupees and if you buy one particular share or just one share from one particular sector, and if you invest entire amount in that particular stock, if due to some reason that stock doesn't perform well, then what is going to happen? Everyone must be getting good returns, but you will be not getting good returns because you have the stock which is not doing well. So diversification means you buy multiple stocks. Now, what is going to happen if you buy multiple stocks at a time? One stock might be going upwards and another stock might be going downwards, but the overall effect of both the stocks will get balanced out and you will be getting the consolidated or combined effect of these stocks in your portfolio valuation. So diversification offers safety of risk because of over concentration or because of holding one single stock in your portfolio. Also, diversification gives you the freedom of creating the baskets of your own choice, of your own sectors. So you can create a basket of stocks or sectors which you feel that they will be going to perform in coming years or in coming future. So diversification, this is the most important advantage of stock investment plan. Secondly is contribution amount choice. Now this is similar to what you might have seen in case of SIPs. Whenever you had started your SIPs, you must have decided the investment amount, you must have decided the date for SIP deduction, right? So similar to this, you can define the investment amount, or you can decide the investment amount for carrying out stock investment plan. You can plan for 5,000 rupees, you can plan for 10,000 rupees, you can plan for 50,000 rupees, you can plan for 5 lakh rupees, whatever the amount you wish to invest in it. Provided, make sure that you'll be contributing it on regular basis and not just one or twice or whenever you wish to. There should be a regularity in this investment, right? Third and most important benefits of stock investment plan is that if you are doing SIP, you are not the direct holder or direct shareholder of the companies which are there in your SIP's existing scheme, right? The asset management company can be said to be a indirect holder of the stocks in your chosen scheme, right? So you are not the holder. So what happens is, if any company in your SIP scheme declares dividend, bonus, or whatever the benefits, those are actually not given to you but to the owner of the shareholders. So if you are holding your stocks into your demat, if you are the sole holder of those shares, then you are eligible for whatever the bonus company declares in future, whatever the rights issue company offers in future, whatever the dividend company pays to their shareholders, you are eligible to get those for you because you are the shareholder. So this is the most important advantage which can give you tremendous value in long future. Fourth important point which we can say about stock investment plan is liquidity. Obviously, it is similar to the liquidity which you have in case of mutual fund. Like whenever you wish, you can redeem your mutual fund. Similar to that, you can sell your holding stock or created stock basket. But the condition is that you should avoid doing this, because the purpose of this stock SIP or stock investment plan is to create a long-term wealth for you. So if you sell in between, then you will not be going to get the returns or results which we are planning for. So ensure that you stick to this plan for at least 7 to 10 years on continuous basis, whatever the rate might be. For example, if you are buying some share at 100 rupees price, and if that price keeps on growing, and on the 6th year the price might have become 150 rupees, 200 rupees, 250 rupees, whatever it is, then you should keep on doing this exercise continuously without holding back, right? The most important benefits and feature of the stock investment plan can be called as wealth creation, because here you are the sole holder of the stocks, and whatever the corporate action benefits are announced in future, all those benefits will be given to you because you are directly owner of the share. So these are the 5 key important things which stock investment plan or stock SIP can offer to you. Now I want to show you just an example like how it works. For example, I have taken some random figures just to give you idea of how it will going to happen. So for example, if you plan to invest 10,000 rupees a month in these 3 company stock, that is 10,000 rupees each in this stock per month, and in case on the first buying order or on the first day when you started your stock SIP or stock investment plan, if the rate of the Excite is 180 rupees, then you will be getting 55 shares of Excite on that particular day. Now for the second buying day of the order, if the rate of the Excite is 195 rupees, then obviously you will be getting lesser quantities. And if on the third instance Excite rate is down, then obviously you are getting more quantities. So this way your rate is getting averaged out, and your quantity of the stocks are going to get increased. So this way, stock SIP can work. It is similar to what your mutual fund SIP actually works, and the benefits of it can be seen over longer term. Now, the requirement here, or if you wish to start stock SIP, then what is then what is the criteria to initiate or to start stock SIP? Is the most important criteria is you should have demat account. Now, just having a demat account will not be that much helpful to you. You should have the demat account with the broker which is offering special services for stock investments. There are few brokers which are offering you these services in their platform itself, so that you can create your own choice of stocks basket. You can define the amount which you want to invest in. You can maybe possibly define the dates for investing those um, investing in those baskets. And most important, some of these companies are actually allowing you to auto debit the bank mandate. Now what this means is, like, you don't have to actually put balance in their demat account. Instead of that, whenever the date comes in, or whenever the date comes closer, or on the planned date, the amount will auto debited from your bank accounts, and on the basis of that, the transaction will be carried out for you in the chosen stock basket. So this way, stock SIP or stock investment plan can be of lot of helpful for investors or small investors who want to create long-term wealth for themselves. So this video was information on stock SIP. I hope this video must have given you some good insights. Do like our channel, do share this video to your friends and families, and do comments on this video. Thank you.